I'm Dr. Hanna. I run a practice in Las Vegas Bariatrics, and we specialize in surgical weight loss. I've been Director of Bariatric Surgery now at North Vista Hospital for the past 4 or 5 years. Over the past 15 years of doing bariatric procedures, I've done well over 2,000 or more surgeries. We do have myths with bariatric surgery. Myth one is weight loss surgery is too risky. Bariatric surgery and weight loss surgery has been around for over 30 years. And with our current technology and the advancement of technology now, we've refined this process where now bariatric surgery is really not that risky. Myth number two, weight loss surgery requires a long recovery time. Now the procedure time is much shorter. Literally, we can do a bariatric procedure in 20 to 30 minutes. So at North Vista Hospital, you can sign up for a monthly seminar. We're here to help patients change their lives for the better.